Today we're making this amazing coconut cookie. This is very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful but delicious as well. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl I added in softened butter followed by sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil as well. Mix until well combined and then add an egg, sugar. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the sugar is added, go ahead, make sure everything has come together before going in with the dry ingredients. So I added in baking powder, a pinch of salt and coconut extract or coconut flavor. I then added in desiccated coconut and then mix until everything has come together before adding in the flour. So that is very simple. It is simple recipe, very easy, and you are good to go. So go ahead, mix until well combined. Go in with your hands and then make sure everything has come together. You do not want to overwork it. Once everything has come together, keep it aside. So that's very easy. Simple recipe and your cookies will turn out very delicious. So this is what you're looking for. The consistency should be more or less like this. Now keep it aside in a different bowl. Add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and then a tablespoon of sugar. Mix until well combined and then bring about a tablespoon of the coconut dough and then roll it in your palm as seen in the video. When done, just put it in the desiccated coconut and roll it in. That's very simple. So make sure you do all and then keep it aside. So that's what I use for the design. That's the mandolin or a multifunctional slicer. That's what you're going to use. I'm going to use this side to make the design. That's very easy. If you have it, you can use it. If not, you can even use a fork to make that design and you're good to go. So all you have to do is to flip it and then add one of the dough on top of it and then push it very carefully. When done, flip it and then press the push side and then it will fall out easily and you are good to go. If you don't understand anything, just please watch the video carefully and you make this amazing cookie tensor without any problem. So this is what it should be. This is what you're looking for. Like I said, if you don't have this mandolin, you can use fork to just press on the balls and then make it flat and you're good to go. So bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are slightly golden brown like this, that means it's ready and you're good to go. This was super crunchy, super delicious. It's melts in your mouth and it's delicious. Just look at it. I hope you try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and follow my page. Bye.